Anything in life is about trust. Whether it's a doctor, a mechanic, an accountant, or a lawyer, it's most important that you find somebody you can understand and someone you trust. My name is Joshua Lee, and I'm an attorney. I practice mostly employment law, business law, and personal injury, and also estate planning. I represent both employers and employees, and individuals and corporations. The law can be an intimidating and scary place for people. I've had that experience myself prior to becoming an attorney, which is one of the reasons I became an attorney. I think what makes me unique as an attorney is that I have real-world business experience, both as a business owner, having owned an IT and executive search staffing company, as well as an employee and an independent contractor, being on the other side, working for other people. And I think that uniquely positions me to understand a story or a problem from more than one perspective. And I think that oftentimes, you might get a very astute or smart doctor or lawyer or other professional, but they have trouble communicating that in a language that the clients appreciate or can understand. And I feel like I can do that. I can bridge that gap. In all of those respects, whether it means that I'm Asian or I'm Korean or that I'm American or that I was a business owner or that I'm a father or a husband or a son or a brother, in some way I can relate to my clients. In that same way, my faith plays a role in how I conduct myself, how I strive to relate and to conduct myself with my clients. I know that my Lord watches me and that I'm accountable for my actions. So I do my best to act not only under ethical rules of conduct that bind me as an attorney, but even to a higher calling, because I know that there's someone else watching that has greater authority. Sometimes I get clients on the wrong side of the argument. They're the ones that have done the particular thing, or they're accused of doing certain things that aren't legal or that aren't proper. And even in that case, you do the best you can. I've had to turn away some clients, couldn't see myself representing them. Fortunately, that hasn't been very often at all. It's been extremely rare. I've had other situations where I found that the particular potential client was in such a dire straits that I offer my services for free. So I've done pro bono work in very specific situations where I felt that it was warranted. I felt that the client genuinely needed my assistance. I could assist that person. I was in a position where I could help them. And that it was so egregious what had happened to them that I wanted to work for free for that particular individual. Now, I couldn't do that too often because I have a family to feed, but there has been rare occasions where I do take on pro bono work. Having a legal issue is stressful, no matter how small it might seem. I take that very seriously. I do my best to be as honest and upfront with my clients as possible, to give them as much current information as possible, and to handle their problems promptly, to answer phone calls and emails as promptly as possible. It's just, I know that it's an important responsibility that they're entrusting me with. I don't take that trust lightly. So why someone should go with me, who I am, I think get to know me, then you can make up your own mind.